With models packed with electronics, battery issues are more common than ever, making portable battery boosters a must-have for drivers. These compact lifesavers offer reliable jump starts without needing a second vehicle. In this guide, we evaluate the top battery boosters based on peak amperage, safety features, charging speed, portability, and overall value, whether for emergencies or everyday readiness. Here are the best battery boosters to keep you powered and prepared. List number: NOCO Boost GB70 2000A Ultra Safe Jump Starter. The NOCO Boost GB70 is a powerhouse among battery boosters, delivering 2,000 amps for jump-starting gasoline engines up to 8 liters and diesel engines up to 6 liters. Its compact, rugged design is paired with advanced safety tech, including spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection. The GB70 also doubles as a power bank with a 12-volt port, USB charging capabilities, and a built-in flashlight. It's perfect for roadside emergencies and off-grid power needs. What sets it apart is its reliability even in extreme conditions. List number: Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter with 65-watt quick charger. The Wolfbox 4000A Jump Starter stands out with sheer power, offering enough amperage to start even large 10-liter gas or 8-liter diesel engines with ease. Its built-in 65-watt fast-charging USB-C port allows lightning-fast device charging, turning it into a versatile power bank on the go. A digital screen displays battery status and error codes, which is a huge plus for usability. The rugged, waterproof casing adds durability, while the multi-mode flashlight boosts its emergency functionality. It also features multiple safety protections. List 3. Clore Automotive Jump and Carry JNC660. 1700 peak amps. Trusted by mechanics and professionals, the Clore JNC660 is a traditional, heavy-duty jump starter built for rugged use. With 1700 peak amps and a high-performance Clore Proformer battery, this unit is designed for consistent cranking power and durability. It includes 46-inch heavy-duty cables, industrial-grade clamps, and a built-in automatic charger for long-term maintenance. Unlike compact lithium models, this lead-acid booster is bigger and heavier, but it makes up for that with raw power and reliability. List 4. NOCO Boost X GBX45 1250A Ultra Safe Jump Starter. The NOCO Boost X GBX45 brings a great balance between portability and power, offering 1250 peak amps, suitable for gasoline engines up to 6.5 L and diesels up to 4 L. It's part of NOCO's next-gen lineup, featuring USB-C fast charging, which refuels the internal battery quickly. UltraSafe 2.0 technology provides reinforced protection against sparks, overheating, and reverse polarity. Despite its small size, the GBX45 performs impressively even in cold climates. It includes a 100-lumen flashlight with multiple modes. List 5. NOCO Boost GB40 1000A Ultra Safe Jump Starter. The NOCO Boost GB40 is one of the most popular compact jump starters on Amazon, and for good reason. With 1000 amps of peak power, it's ideal for jump-starting gasoline engines up to 6 liters and diesel up to 3 liters. It's ultra-portable, weighing under 3 pounds, and features NOCO's well-known ultra-safe technology to prevent user error. It also works as a flashlight and power bank with USB charging,